it's Miss Heidi here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you a recipe for pumpkin pie. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon of salt, a cup of sugar, and pie crust that you can make homemade or buy from the store. You'll also need 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, or you can make your own from scratch. And there's a recipe on our website, virtuallybgcmc.org, that shows you how to make pumpkin puree. But keep in mind, if you follow that recipe, it calls for adding spices, and you will be adding more spices to your pumpkin pie, so you might want to adjust your spices or keep them in to add an extra kick. So to make your pumpkin puree, take your pumpkins and with your parents' permission and supervision, cut your pumpkin in half and take out the inside and put it on a baking tray with aluminum foil. Like that. And bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 45 to 60 minutes. After baking my pumpkin pie, this is how it turned out. And here's a close-up on one of the slices. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.